This 2024 Renegade Valencia 38BB is a super CRV. It is located in Middlebury, Indiana, 46540 and is offered for sale by Royal RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Renegade is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, Slideout, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floorplan layout of this Super C features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2024 Renegade Valencia 38BB is built on a Freightliner Custom S2RV chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.